So I wanted to show like DUST3R, which is a neighbor image to 3D, 3D modeling tool, not like a neural network, and I wanted to just like show in context of architecture. And I think this is like just one image example. So just one image, it predicts depth, and based on that, like reconstructs the 3D. And I think for this, like outdoor, it's pretty decent. And then I also tried on like this image from Google for this like small barricade. And we can see like it messes quite a lot, like sometimes, especially depth in some areas. And then because this model is trained on like some other like really different domains, so I don't expect it to perform good, but like already it performs quite well. And then we also do some tests on multi-domain. So yeah, it takes a minute, but yeah, it gets the job done. Like yeah, so if the number of images increases, it like takes really long as well. But yeah, the construction, like the construction quality is super good. But you can always see like some bumpiness in the textures that you generate like, at the end of the day. But the textures themselves are super consistent. You know, like you need to do some processing with them or something later on. And then again, yeah, I think like the camera registration is also super like accurate too. Because I did like a comparison before. It's pretty cool. And this right now is running in like 4090 hardware, right? So I think it's pretty decent. Again, it's like multiple images from the same way, and we see it's almost the same. Again, the depth is like that's enough. Actually, you can like fine tune the models, like if you want, like really smooth, you can choose coefficients and like emit certain depths. Yeah, but yeah, it's like super nice repository. You can just directly use it, like from neighbor, and use it for any downstream application. And yeah, so this was like another AI generated image. So I was wondering like how it would perform. So like two of them are like the same space but in different state, right? But yeah, and so I think there were unrelated images. I tried to try to make some predictions, which is yes, very cool. But like, how cool is that? Like, just real time local. And then this was like some render that we generated on yeah, like some Lumion renders, and let's see how it performs because we already saw the renders. You know, like you already know the quality of geometry for the render itself. And then let's look like if it gets part of the building correct or not. So like because it's like sort of exterior render, so probably it gets most of it right, but the depth is yeah, the views are almost perfect. But yeah, but the geometry is like, really close to how it is. Again, let's try to like another model to see like how robust this is, but I feel like this is already ready for downstream application, like just using images to record and just directly create some stuff with it. We don't really need to do a lot. Oh, there is one limitation, like you really need a lot of RAM, like especially with this repository, because if you have like quite a few images, then it just stops working. It's like trying to stitch and trying to figure out where each one goes. Oh, this one was pretty cool, but I think this one, yeah, it got it really wrong because maybe perhaps it's trained on like real images, and this one was like a really low quality render that you see, and so you can see already that in depth map it was not there.